Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Corona Proxy. First, understand that Corona Proxy is a powerful tool designed to optimize your 3D scenes by reducing the polygon count of complex objects in your viewport. This helps maintain smooth navigation and responsiveness, especially with large projects. You can easily access the Corona Proxy exporter through the Corona toolbar or by right-clicking in your viewport and selecting it from the quad menu. This allows you to convert selected objects into lightweight proxy files. Once you've opened the exporter, the next step is to configure your proxy settings. You'll need to specify a destination folder where your CGO proxy files will be saved. If your objects have animation, remember to enable the animated option to bake the animation into the proxy. You also have the choice to replace the original source objects with the newly created proxies, which helps keep your scene clean and optimized. For efficient workflow, it's crucial to set your viewport display method correctly. The point cloud option is highly recommended as it provides a clear representation of your proxy while maintaining excellent viewport performance. You can adjust the point cloud percentage, with 5 to 10% often being sufficient. For managing many proxies, the Corona Proxy Lister is an invaluable tool, allowing you to control all proxies in your scene from one convenient interface. When working with Corona Proxy, consider advanced options like cache and RAM to speed up scene parsing, though be mindful of increased memory consumption. Always enable warn for existing CGO files to avoid accidentally overriding your valuable proxy assets. Proxies are excellent for keeping scenes lightweight, especially with high polygon models. Remember to check the description below for a link to the simple path to Wealth and other great deals. This helps you maintain a smooth and efficient rendering pipeline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.